Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a system image in Windows 10 operating system. Let's see how to do this. One thing that's noticeably missing from the new Windows 10 settings menu is the system image backup utility. A system image backup is basically an exact copy of a drive. In other words, you can use a system image to completely restore your computer settings and all in the event of a PC disaster. At the moment, this is how you can create a system image in Windows 10. Open Control Panel and go to File History. At the bottom of the left pane, you should see a link to System Image Backup under See Also. Click this link. The Backup and Restore utility will open. From the left panel, click on Create a System Image. Then another window will open which is called the System Image Backup utility. You can save your system image backup on a hard disk or on one or more DVDs or on a network location. If you pick hard disk, then you can choose any drive you want and then click Next. After that, a window will open in which you have to select the drives you want to include in the backup. The C drive is selected by default. You can also add any drive you want. If not, click Next. Confirm your settings and click Start Backup. Now your system image is saving in the backup drive. That's how you can create a system image for any drive in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.